Hi people, today I have a very good video tutorial if you render your project using graphics card, not processor. And if your graphics card only has 8 gigabytes of VRAM, I found interesting option what you can do to reduce VRAM usage. When you scroll down by mouse button, there's an interesting option what you have to pay attention on. The option is called use tiling. I used 1080 instead. I will tell you why I told you about that. First of all, I have to save the scene and I have to use option revert because Blender was using too much VRAM. At the moment usage is like that, but after when I use the tiling, usage will be decreased. Normally, but something else has already been loaded because I'm using Open Broadcaster software. Normally, if I didn't use this recording video tutorial, recording video program, my usage would not be as high as now because normally usage of VRAM would be 3 gigabytes. You can see when I use tiling, it doesn't go over 4 gigabytes. And I would like to tell you in a minute, I can stop render and I can show you the difference. Denoising, I should turn processor for denoising, but it will be slower. But you can always use processor for denoising as well, because GTX 1080 Ti does not support GPU denoising. Now I will deselect option use tiling and you will see now, and I will use revert command. The reason is because I reset Blender to default value and usage is like that because I'm using Open Broadcaster software. If I didn't use recording software program, usage would be less than 2 gigabytes. Now I will use without tiling render and you will see how much VRAM it will be used. You will see the difference, people. It seems to be quicker, but at the same time, usage is much higher. After, even if I didn't select this option, I found another option you can use batch rendering, but I don't know if I use batch rendering because I never used batch rendering. I tried to stop. Okay, I stopped rendering. Render. I have to check in render settings if I have option for rendering. Mm, view render. I because you can use batch rendering, so your image will not show up. But I have to check how to do that because I didn't do batch rendering in the past. What is this? Aha! That is interesting. I never used this option, people. I hope you like the video tutorial. Oh, watch rename. Okay, it's not what I was looking for. I wonder if someone can tell me if Blender has something like batch rendering, because I found it in one of the websites, Reddit. You can use batch rendering as well to reduce VRAM usage. and we will again revert. This option deletes undo operations, and at the same time you can free up memory VRAM in Blender by using revert operation. But make sure you move something to save Blender once again. I hope you like my video tutorial. See you guys.